Hi, this video is to demonstrate the Korg digital mixers which we have here available at West Herts College in the Music Technology department. The Korg mixer is this unit here, which is on top of the mixer rack, and you will notice that the Korg mixer has an array of dials, knobs, faders, so we're going to go over what some of those do before we start plugging everything in. So if we look at an individual channel on the mixer, you'll see that it has different connections. So we're going to start at the very top of the mixer where it says input 1. And what this is it's a mic input. So it allows us to plug in the array of different microphones we have here at the college to be able to input a signal and record different instruments or your voices. Also underneath that we have a line instrument insert or plug-in. And that allows us to plug in things like guitars, keyboards, some types of drum machines, and this is they're all at line level signal. This type of signal is weaker than microphone signal, so bear in mind that you might have to boost your gains or use a DI box, but we'll talk about that a bit later. Then underneath that we have what we call a trim. Now this is basically the same as gain. It allows you to boost the overall volume of the signal that's coming in to the channel, to the mixer. So just treat that the same as you would a gain. Then underneath that we have our EQ, we have our high, our mid and our low, and that refers to the high, mid and low frequencies of the signal that's going through the channel. And then underneath that we have effect. This allows us to send an effect from the built-in effects unit on the desk to that individual channel, so you might want to add a delay or a reverb to that one channel. Underneath that we have pan, which allows us to move the sound left and right in the stereo spectrum, which means basically if you've got a pair of headphones on, if you move it left then the sound will move to the left of those headphones, and that's great if you want to start working with stereo mixes, but we'll talk more about that in a later video. And underneath that we have what we call our recording arm button. This is a button that must be pushed on to activate the channel for both playback and record, and again we'll speak about that very soon. And underneath that we have our fader, and this allows us to set the level coming into the desk. Obviously when you plug in something for the first time you want to put it to 0 and make sure that it's on that, and then you can adjust the gain afterwards. Okay.